If you've lost access to your Binance account and need to regain ownership, follow these steps to recover it efficiently. Step 1. Visit the Binance login page. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process, which is essential for regaining access to your account. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Binance account. This information is necessary for Binance to verify your identity and send you recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. After submitting your information, check your email inbox or SMS for a verification code or a password reset link from Binance. Follow the instructions provided in the message to proceed. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the reset link or enter the verification code, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, then confirm the changes to regain access to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully regain ownership of your Binance account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Binance support for further assistance.